Your confirmation email is the email that gets sent out if you have confirmed opt-in turned on. In that email, subscribers will need to click a link to be fully subscribed to your list. The contents of this email should be as clear as possible so people know exactly what they need to do. First, choose the language you want your confirmation email to be in. Then either select a pre-created subject line or create your own custom one. Down in the preview area, you can edit the body of this email. Again, it's really simple. Don't overthink this too much. You just want to make sure people understand what they're signing up to and what they need to do to confirm. You can change the text of the button. And even add a signature. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.